pool tile grout cracking or falling out? Here's how to fix that annoying problem without losing your mind. So, first off, you want to check the grout for any loose bits or cracks. If you find any, get a grout removal tool or even just a small screwdriver and carefully scrape out the damaged grout. Make sure you clean the area real good after that. No dirt or old grout hanging around, because it'll mess with the new stuff sticking. Next, mix up some pool-grade grout that works underwater. You can find this at most hardware stores. Just ask for the kind made for pools. When you're ready, press the grout into the gaps with a grout float or even your finger if you don't have one, but wear gloves so your skin doesn't get irritated. After you fill the cracks, wipe off the extra grout with a damp sponge before it dries, but don't go too crazy or you'll pull out the grout you just put in. Let it set for a full 24 hours before you swim or splash around. This is key, so the grout can cure properly and last longer. Also, try to keep chemicals balanced in your pool water because crazy pH or chlorine levels can wear out grout faster than normal. If you do this every year or so, your pool tiles will stay looking sharp and you'll avoid bigger repairs down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool tile grout cracking or falling out is rushing the repair without removing all the old grout first. If you leave behind loose bits, the new grout won't stick well and will crack again fast. Another common issue is using regular grout instead of pool-specific grout. This stuff is not designed to handle water and chemicals, so it breaks down quickly. Lastly, ignoring water chemistry balance is a huge no-no, because acidic or overly chlorinated water eats away at grout, making cracks happen more often. The fix? Always scrape out all the old grout, pick the right type for pools, and keep your pool water balanced with regular testing and adjustments. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful if you're looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to pool repairs. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners like you who need reliable work done without all the hassle.